something happened there. No joke, it feels like a stone just fall by me here. Alright guys, so we are about to hit a special spot. We've been here before, but we didn't actually like shoot a video on that place. And it's basically a abandoned place, but it's really nice. I'm here with Shani, Naomi, and Mercedes. I'm just starting out the video right there, and you'll see what I'm talking about.
You see, like when I was coming up, it was too scary, but now.
I feeling dizzy watching that this movie.
Like that was some kind of effect on your eyes for some reason.
Like I'm made. Oh my gosh. I have so much lines on my eyes to walk off.
Take me to a place I can imagine.
How does it feel to be back in the game? Then you really visit too much. Yeah. Yes, sir. She's not that fit anymore.
Yeah.
You good? The people might in trouble, eh? Yeah. You okay? I know. That's why I bring you there, because we was in the house. So yeah, remember when we came there, they were full of grass. The other man that's living in the house there. Like a normal fella, normal man. He had electricity and everything in the house. The legend has it. He had 2 sons, a night he heard a noise. So now his sons are outside. He had burst 2 shots. And one of the shots take his own son. Yeah. I feel the man died already, but the son still alive. Both of them still alive.
That's what legend has it as?
Yeah, that's a legend.
Where you get that legend from?
For you?
They don't ask you if that's true, but they ask you where
no,
you went
for you. Yours is your for you. That's serious. No joke, no lie. The person that tell me that, like the man used to come there a lot. Yeah.
I'm feeling like I've been to that beach, but I have somewhere like an actual road. I just know where I've been here.
When we came here the first time, like all there, how much bush? Rain? Oh, and even imagine that that house was in a better condition than how it is now.
Clearly.
For you?
But I said clearly.
You see, watch that.
Oh, you mean the last time you all came here?
Yeah, watch that. You see, watch that.
That day, like that's freshly cleaned.
But I'm telling you. Yeah. But the house, the doors, like you see, doors and everything were in perfect condition, but it was closed. And we went in the front, but the front had no door. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is the abandoned house I was telling you all about. It's been a while since I've done it, so I don't know how to approach this too much. Okay, I'll go over to the front first to make sure that I have nobody inside there. So, alright, so I'll see you guys in the front.
Seriously?
The seawater come up higher. It wasn't so higher.
Well, tides from the height,
Look the house. Look at the house. But the ceiling falling already.
that would be a nice vacation.
We don't own a taxi.
Not that big, too big. The ceiling cave in. It wasn't like that when we came the first time. Would be some more take the galvanize. And look there again too, I was telling you, Shanice. But for you too, but for the reach there, you have to follow the wires and reaching.
Why would you find building and you stop?
Well, you never know you have money or anything. Yeah. Look the place. Yeah, up there. And we saw the thing in the water and you all saying if that's yeah, mermaid or whatever. They're so stupid. Alright guys, so are you ready to enter the creepy house? Alright. Say shit. Boy, we see something happened there. No joke, it feels like a stone just fall by me here.
Me not do that to make the video more dramatic. You're not going to take stones there.
Yeah, did shit.
To make that video more dramatic.
Oi, I wish I was.
I will check my shit.
In the creepy house. There's the bathroom. Alright, so like I said, it was a small house, so there's nothing too spectacular to see. So Mr. Whose name I want to put in that there, Mr. Tell me.
I'm names I'm not putting that too much, eh? They're too small.
You take it all.
Can't relate.
Alright guys, so this is the end of our little excursion, our little abandoned exploration, adventure, whatever you want to call it. I'm happy that we actually did this after so long. How do you feel
To be back in the
to
game.
be back in the game? Man. And that's NAOMI, is it right? First time with the gang.
Yes. Gang.
Hello.
What's up,
Missy.
Jaconet? Might not be the last.
Yes. Alright, so make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up.
But we have to get Naomi
Yeah.
take on the whole exploration.
Yeah. Because we're going back to every single place that we've been to.
What?
All of the abandoned places that we've been to in St. Lucia.
Where?
When I get my thing, we're going back to all of them.
Whoa.
So we'll show y'all what it is now and what it used to be.
You see him when I go see me, eh?
Yeah, we're not screaming for you, eh?
Yeah. When I go see me, I go there twice already. That's enough, eh? Okay.
Alright, so subscribe.
But I don't even see how it was for me.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Wow. So you know, it was nice. It was
Mike,
nice.
I give you this.
Oh. It was nice.
No.
You know what I mean? I mean like, just like actually. But you make me more shy as you put it so.
I didn't mean shy. Okay, alright.
Okay,
Alright.
so you know, just like actually like being with them for like actually the first time, like you know, I know them, but like you know, the energy good and stuff. So I like their vibe, and that's just one video and many more to go.
Alright.
So period, it was a vibe. I'm happy we did this.
Alright, so make sure you guys subscribe to Shanice's channel. She's one of the OGs from the beginning, day one.
Well, if you all don't know me,
If you don't know Shanice,
come on, that means
then
you all new.
Yeah.
And you all need to go back and watch all the
All of
old
it.
videos.
I'm
Catch
telling
up.
you.
Well, you all need to keep up.
Link will be in the description. Follow them on Instagram. You already know. Naomi on Instagram.
Already know. Nini _Felicie NINI_FELICIEN.
Alright.
And thank you.
Alright.
Whoa. Technical difficulty.
Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the latest, the best, and the greatest out there in this game.
We coming out bigger, stronger, and better. So see y'all in the next video.
You already know.
Oh.
Peace.
Oh.